So I couldn't tell you where I read this, but I saw it the other day, and it said that if he just had Jeremy Martin's speed 1 out of 4 races in Supercross, he would have a factory ride. And it's kind of one of those things. It's like, is that true? Does Ty Masterpool deserve a factory ride after, well, let's say this outdoor season, making it look like yes. The move over to Pro Circuit Kawasaki for him has been incredible. On the podium, getting his first win, just looking like a guy that deserves that bike. And you got to say for Pro Circuit too, for them to come out and offer him the ride, it's definitely working for them. When you consider nobody else is on the podium for him, and he's looking like a contender. He is a guy up front. He's looking fast. He's got speed. He's competitive. For him, this is a great interview. Whether it is for Pro Circuit next year or if some other team decides, hey, he actually does have some speed, we should give him a bike. This is probably the best thing he could have done. Yeah, he could have stayed on the 450s and he could have rolled around in the top 10, top 15 and looked okay and kind of gone on the radar and everybody be like, oh yeah, and Ty Masterpool, he's doing okay this year. But moving down to the 250s and being as competitive as he is right now, this is definitely one of those things that makes it look like he's going to get a ride next year. And I want to hear from the comments below. You guys tell me, do you think he does? And if so, which team? Obviously, Yamaha or Star Racing Yamaha, they're handing out contracts like candy. Pro Circuit, they have a bunch of contracts too, but most of their guys are injured. And it depends on who else could possibly give him something. I don't know. Whether it's Triumph decides to give him a ride or who knows, any of the other teams. But like I said, comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Do you think one, do you think he deserves one? Obviously, this is could be a fluke year, could be a fluke outdoors. Who knows? Whatever you want to say. There is a lot of guys injured, but whatever. You race the people that are there, and that's how it is. And two, if you do think he gets a ride, where do you think he goes, or where do you think he has contract options? Who do you think gives him an option to ride? Well, like I said, I think this is the best interview he could have done. He moved to a bike that he didn't know, on to a new team from 450 to a 250, so down in power and is looking incredible. So for him, good job, claps, good on you for one, taking the ride and saying, yeah, sure, I can do this. And then two, proving that it was worth it for the team. But like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think he wins another race or two, whatever it is? Who wins the 250s? Who wins the 450s? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.